Faster, more accurate cut and fill surveys can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Let's look at a really striking example of how earthworks contractors move on average between 80 and 170,000 cubic meters per 50-hectare site. At about $10 per cubic meter, that adds up to an average of $1 million. Traditional ground methods rely on sparse points, potentially introducing thousands of cubic meters of error. These surveys are infrequent due to time and access issues. Yet, frequent data is key to reconciling billables with accurate estimates. On the other hand, if you fly a drone like WingtraOne over that area in less than 15 minutes and grab centimeter-accurate volumetric data, you can improve estimates by 10 to 20% per project, which means you could save between $100,000 and $200,000. Look, 80% of construction projects go over budget and fall behind schedule, mostly due to bad or late data. Yet you have a chance now to differentiate your company and step out of the negative margin rut. Here's how. With WingtraCLOUD, you can plan and fly a 50-hectare site in under 15 minutes, saving time in the field with the efficient combo of WingtraOne Gen 2 and the MAP 61 payload. Turn that flight data into high-resolution orthomosaics and point clouds with survey-grade accuracy, ready in your preferred coordinate system, no extra conversions or tools needed. Instantly crop and export just the area you need, so engineers and planners can get insights faster and start working in their CAD tools right away. An accurate point cloud exported from WingtraCLOUD can then serve as the starting point for deliverables such as DTMs and TINs to generate cut and fill reports. The result? You stay in control, tracking progress, validating contractor claims, and avoiding overspending. Your project stays on time, on budget, and data-driven.